The defense will continue to grill state witness Constable Sizwe Zungu in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. In his testimony, Zungu last week placed the 5 men on trial for the footballer's murder in Volsloorus on the day of the murder. Meyiwa was shot in Volsloorus at the home of his girlfriend Kelly Khumalo in 2014. Newzroom Afrika's Zikhona Tshona is tracking the story for us. Zikhona, a very good morning to you. Latest developments, of course, in court set to paint a picture of where this case is going. We understand that the trial was bogged down in a handwritten note tangle yesterday. Talk to us about what happened.
So yesterday, court proceedings started with an inquiry about the existence or non-existence of a handwritten statement by the witness. Charles Mnisi, who's representing who's accused number 3, says he was instructed by his client that Zungu did make a written statement. But Mngube did not say or speak through his lawyer to say that he was shown this witness at any point, whether he's interacting with police or he saw Zungu making this written statement. Zungu has told the court that he has never made a written statement. He maintains that he took down notes while he was in witness protection, and that the statement before court, which is a typed out statement, was derived from his notes. He was then ordered by the court last week Friday to travel to KwaZulu-Natal to fetch these notes. When he came to court yesterday, he said he did not find anything. The state, George Baloyi, has told the court that those notes were shredded. So the defense has been trying to argue that if there is a written statement, it should be brought before court, and that their clients believe that that is the original statement made by this witness. The court then made a ruling yesterday that there is no evidence before court that this written statement does exist. Rather, the court ruled that there is no evidence before court that there was a written statement made by Zungu. Zungu has said he has never made a written statement. The state's advocate, George Baloyi, has said he does not have a written statement by this witness in his possession. Then the court ruled that the cross-examination of the witness should resume. The judge also said he does not believe that Baloyi would risk his career and withhold documents that are needed by the defense in this case. So that was thrown out. The cross-examination of the witness then continued. Of course, the witness statement that is before court is a typed-out one. It's riddled with corrections made by Zungu himself. He did tell the court there seems to be some errors, particularly with regards to how the names were captured in that statement. So for now, he continues to be cross-examined by the defense, who are trying to poke holes at his evidence. We know that he's placed the 5 men accused of Senzo Meyiwa's murder in Voolslorus on the day. He says that he was drinking with them at a hostel in the area. He also speaks about seeing a firearm brought by one of the accused at this hostel. He also says one of them did announce Senzo Meyiwa's murder before it became public knowledge. Currently, he is being cross-examined by Charles Mnisi, who is representing accused number 3. Interestingly, yesterday in court, we also heard the name of Shadrach Sibiya coming out. During cross-examination, Zungu did tell the court that he did meet with police, and among the police that he met with, he mentioned Shadrach Sibiya in 2019, and he told them his version of what he knows about the killers or the alleged killers of Senzo Meyiwa. At the time, Sibiya was axed as the Hawks boss, but he says he did not know. He assumed that he was operating as a police officer.
Some interesting developments there. Of course, we will be keeping an eye on the court proceedings, taking viewers to the courts as soon as that gets underway. Zikhona Tshona painting a picture of some of the focal points and what's expected as the matter gets underway today.